Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are diving into a beautiful collection of the most adorable, stylish, and fashionable baby dresses that are trending right now. If you love cute baby fashion, elegant designs, and creative outfit inspiration for little girls, then you are definitely in the right place. From soft pastel colors to elegant handmade details, today's collection is full of amazing baby dress ideas that are perfect for birthdays, family gatherings, photo shoots, church events, weddings, and even everyday stylish wear. Every single dress in this collection has its own unique charm, and I'm sure you'll discover designs that will completely melt your heart as you watch these beautiful outfits appear on your screen. Take a moment to appreciate the creativity behind each design. Some dresses feature lovely floral patterns, while others come with lace decorations, ribbons, bows, pearls, and stylish layered skirts that give them a truly princess-like appearance. The attention to detail in these dresses is simply incredible. One thing that makes baby fashion so special is how adorable and elegant these tiny outfits can look, while still being comfortable for babies to wear. Comfort is always important, and many of these dresses are made using soft, breathable fabrics that help babies feel relaxed while looking fashionable at the same time. You'll also notice that this collection includes a variety of colors and styles. We have classic white dresses that look perfect for special occasions, soft pink and peach dresses that give a sweet and gentle look. As we continue through the collection, don't forget to comment below and let us know which dress design is your favorite. Is it the floral dresses, the layered princess gowns, the stylish party dresses, or the elegant lace outfits? I would really love to hear your thoughts. And if you are enjoying this beautiful collection so far, make sure to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you never miss more amazing baby fashion, inspiration, and creative dress collections like this one. Fashion for babies keeps evolving every year, and it's amazing to see how designers continue creating unique and eye-catching styles that make little ones look absolutely adorable. These dresses are not just outfits, they are expressions of creativity, beauty, and love. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today and enjoying this wonderful collection of beautiful baby dresses. Keep watching until the end, because there are still more stunning and fashionable designs coming up that you definitely do not want to miss. See you again in the next video with more beautiful fashion inspiration, stylish baby dress ideas, and adorable collections from around the world. Stay inspired, stay creative, and keep enjoying beautiful fashion.